Cadillac Cyclone, introduced in 1959, stands as one of the most innovative and ambitious concept cars ever produced by General Motors. Designed by the legendary Harley Earl, his final project before retirement, the Cyclone represented the height of futuristic automotive vision in mid-century America. Internally coded XP-74, the vehicle was inspired by aviation and space-age design, reflected in its bubble canopy, prominent nose cones, and exaggerated tail fins. Built on a shortened 104-inch wheelbase from the Cadillac Series 62 convertible, the Cyclone was compact, yet radical. It was powered by a front-mounted 390 cubic inch V8 engine producing 325 horsepower. This was coupled with a rear-mounted automatic transaxle and a 2-speed differential, resulting in 6 forward gears. Accessories such as the air conditioning compressor, generator, and steering pump were mounted ahead of the engine and belt-driven, an innovative layout at the time. An aluminum cross-flow radiator cooled the engine with twin fans, and the exhaust exited just ahead of the front wheels through unique front fender ports. The Cyclone's most groundbreaking feature was its radar-based crash avoidance system. Housed within the twin Dagmar nose cones, the radar detected obstacles ahead, alerting the driver with lights and sounds. There were even plans for the system to apply brakes automatically, though this functionality was never fully tested. Another hallmark of the Cyclone was its automatic, silver-coated plexiglass bubble canopy, designed to protect passengers from ultraviolet rays and rain. The canopy retracted into the rear compartment via a complex mechanical system. Doors were electronically operated, sliding backward on ball bearings. Small square ports on the doors replaced traditional windows, and a built-in intercom allowed communication with people outside without opening the canopy. Initially intended to run on a gas turbine engine, the Cyclone had to settle for a piston-driven V8 due to technological limitations. It featured advanced power steering, air suspension, later replaced with coils, and pressure-based brakes drawn from the Air Ride Reserve system. Although the Cyclone made a dramatic debut at the 1959 Daytona Speedway, problems with the suspension and door locks revealed its complexity. After Harley Earl's retirement, new design chief Bill Mitchell toned down the car's dramatic styling, reducing the fins, changing the taillights, removing the silver canopy, and repainting it from pearl white to silver. The Cadillac Cyclone was never intended for production, but served as a platform to showcase the future of automotive design and engineering. Today, it remains preserved in the General Motors Heritage Collection, a rolling testament to the ambition and creativity of a bygone era.